Hi guys, it's Charlie.D243 here, and today we are joined back with the Samsung Galaxy Pro.
Left, right, we don't need to left, right. People dancing around, things are flying all around.
And today we are going to be putting it in this furnace right here. Alright, so we are going to be chucking the phone in this old fire extinguisher and we'll see how it fares, see if we can make liquid Samsung. So, you ready to put it in, Ross?
Yep. Say bye to the Samsung.
It's in the pot. Right guys, we're going to get the Samsung Galaxy Pro out right now. Let's see if we have made liquid Samsung.
You have a look in there, that's what was the Samsung phone.
Alright, pour it in.
Glass. And then a molten Samsung. What's happening there?
Whoa! What the heck?
Get away from it, Charlie. Is that the battery?
No, it doesn't have a battery in it. What the hell?
What's going on?
What's going on?
And that's just catching into...
Guys, we've exploded a Samsung.
I would bring that in.
A first on the Charlie.D243 channel.
Okay, no.
Guys, if you're thinking of cooking up your phone, don't try it at home, because we're professionals. Alright, so guys, I hope you like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one for more pointless videos.